Hi guys, welcome back. Another day, another video. Today's video, guys. Look, I have this peelables, peel and reveal. Look at this. Look it closer. Look, the teddy bear was in the box. It's in the cubes. I mean, it's in the cubes. Look, let's reveal it. Let's look for something. Ito, this one. They have a different colors inside. Look, this is the candy bird. Oh, let's see what it's inside. Let's open this one. Let's see. We're looking for this kind of characters. Look, they have bird, dinosaur, turtle, octopus, and penguin. Let's see what is inside this little cubes. Okay, guys, let's see what is in the cubes. Okay. Where's the opening? Okay, here. I found it. I found the opening, guys. Look, guys, look. Let's see. This is how you open it. Look, guys. I think I have the octopus. Look, it's octopus, guys. It's octopus, guys. Look. And this one, you can eat this also. It's so good. Good. And then the octopus.